Alrighty, morning everyone, and welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel on another beautiful day. Today we have one of these massive switchgear thingies that I wanted to scrap down with you. We're gonna do one of them today. I already did two of them off camera because, well, I had to get them done because I had to sell some stuff that was inside of them. And we still have the main body part of one of these other ones. We still have one entire complete one and this one. And I kept all of these parts here from the other one because these right here are silver plated copper. And they are extremely heavy, extremely solid, and I think they are worth really a very good chunk. Probably not to your normal scrapyard because they would only buy them for burnt copper, but you know, obviously we won't sell them for burnt copper because they've got silver on them. The copper is technically still contaminated, obviously, because well, it's plated with something, but it's the same logic as contaminating silver with palladium, for example. Can't really do that, no, and you shouldn't really sell it for a silver price. And we are definitely not going to sell these for a copper price. We're going to take it all apart. I'm going to show you how I do that. It's actually kind of tricky, and we won't get into this main part today because this is already enough fiddling around to do, and I think that's enough for one video. We might do these in another video, but it's very dusty, very dirty to do these, and I don't really have a good way of filming that so that it would make a good video. But whatever, we are going to do this one today. We're going to scrap down whatever, most of it, as much as we can. And yeah, we're going to recover some very good silver-plated copper, which is absolutely awesome. It looks great when you clean it up, really almost like an artwork, at least for me, but I'm a little bit weird, so, you know, whatever. But yeah, you're gonna see about that, and we're gonna take this whole thing apart. I'm hopefully gonna have all the tools over here that I actually need for that, because I'm obviously not at my workshop, so yeah, I guess we'll see about that, but I think it's gonna be pretty dang alright. So yeah, I would say we're just gonna jump into time-lapse. I will do everything here that I do, and if there's something that I think is not very clear what I'm doing, I can just do a voiceover or whatever. You're gonna see about that. And so yeah, I would say we're gonna go into time-lapse and see how much awesome silver-plated copper we can recover from this thing. So here we go. Okay, so that really took a long time. As you saw from the time lapse, this is really a lot of work, but it's really fun work because you technically only have to unscrew stuff. And that's always fun. I took my time though, and I really took care of those massive silver contacts. Why? Because I want to keep them. They are more like collectibles for me than really scrap. So I took my time to really not damage them, stuff like that. You saw that in the time lapse, and yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. And we're gonna weigh everything up now, see how much copper we actually got here. This stuff is all basically silver plated, so yeah, it's all very high grade stuff. We still have this boxy thing over here, which we didn't scrap yet, because we need an angle grinder for that, and you need to cut a lot of stuff, and I, first of all, don't do that here because everything would get dusty and I really don't want that. And second of all, I don't even have an angle grinder here. So yeah, we can't do that now, but I'm going to take that back to my workshop and we're going to cut that up in maybe a second video, but I'm definitely going to do it and then sell the other stuff that's in there. It's not very interesting. It's basically just a transformer that is encased in some sort of resin, probably. And so, yeah, let's weigh up our massive silver contacts that we've got here. We've got to turn on the scale, just like that. And it's reflecting a little bit. I don't think... Oh, there we go. That's a little better. And yeah, we're going to weigh all of this up now. But we're going to start with stuff like this. This is also silver-plated copper. There's nothing tin-plated on this whole thing. It's all silver. And this is entirely copper. Besides this ceramic ring on the sides, this is entirely silver-plated copper. So we'll start by adding that. Then we've got these like three contacts here. These thingies. Also very, very nice. Also silver plated copper. And so we are already at, wow, we are already at 350 grams. My God, okay, this is gonna be quite a bit. So let's add the first little piece of silver plated copper. If you look at these, they're absolutely awesome. You know, you've got numbers everywhere and stuff, and they are really solid copper, there's nothing else on it, and then a very thick layer of silver. So let's see here. So this thing alone weighs over half a kilo, so way over a pound. And then we've got these things, which are basically just thick copper plates, also silver plated. I'm gonna clean them all up and I am gonna keep those, obviously, but these are just awesome. 1.7 kilos and another one, 2.5. And now we've got this massive piece, which is basically the same material, solid copper, there's nothing else on them. And then just a very thick silver plating. It's tarnished a little bit, but you can just clean that up with like some sort of silver cleaning thingy. I've got that laying around, so we're gonna do that as well. And that brings us to a total of 4 kilos of silver plated copper. That would be, if we quickly check what that would be in pounds, that would be, yeah, almost 9 pounds, 8.8. 8.8 pounds of silver plated copper. I don't really want to calculate what that would be worth because it wouldn't be worth a whole ton, just as is, because a scrapyard doesn't really pay a lot for that. But I'm definitely gonna keep these for myself. I might sell some of them on eBay because I've got some more of these switchgear thingies. But I really think that this is a very, very good yield. And we still have all this thing, which is probably gonna give you another, like, what, maybe 5 kilos. So yeah, these are really, really good copper recovery. So this is basically the end of this video. I hope you liked it. I definitely really liked it. I think this stuff is absolutely awesome, and if I can get some more, I'm obviously gonna buy some more so that we can take some more apart, because I really think that this was really fun and very interesting to me and hopefully also to you. So yeah, if you've got any questions whatsoever, write them in the comments below. I'd be very happy to answer those. Or even if you just want to say hi, I'd be very happy about that too. And I would answer that, of course, as well. And so yeah, also don't forget to like rate the video with either like a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whatever you might want to do. And also please subscribe to the channel so that we can like get more subscribers and stuff, because that's very, very nice. And it's also free, so yeah, you don't have to pay anything for that, which is kind of cool as well, I think. So yeah, thank you very, very much for watching, and until next time.